Hi everyone, I'm Nicole, also known as Continualtrends on Instagram and Poshmark. I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, as well as a few other apps and platforms. And today I am going to do a haul video of all the inventory I found today. Start with shoes. So the first item are these Under Armour sneakers. They are a size 10 and they're pretty good condition, to be honest. So I don't know, I'll list those, and also if you're ever interested in any of these items, I'll have the link to my store in the description. The next pair are these Vans. I really liked how they were all green, like even the laces, and they are a size 6.5 for men or an 8. Oh, they're my size. Or an 8 woman, which is really nice. I really like the look of Vans, to be honest, and I really like the monochrome wall, like forest green. These ones are also green. I've never heard of this brand before, but comps looked pretty good. I think it's called Alukai. I think it's a Hawaiian brand. That's the logo, and it has like I don't know, like a hook logo right now by it. Hard to see, but they're like these slide-on shoes. I'm gonna clean those up and see how they do. Oh, jeez. The next pair, I never really picked these up, but I know they go for pretty well because it's like the only brand my dad wears, and it is Asics. They're black and white, which I think is a pretty good color. They are a size 7.5, and they're pretty clean, pretty good condition. If you ever sell Asics, look at the numbers. Sometimes, like by the tag, it will have in parentheses like 4E or 2E, and that means like extra wide. Those are pretty sought after. I know, because that's what my dad is, and I always have a hard time finding some for him. So if you ever find them and they have like the E, make sure you put that in your description that they're an extra wide. Or if you're looking and you want a not as narrow shoe, look for ones that have like a 2E or a 4E by it. Last pair of shoes are these Vans. I really like them. They're slip-on shoes. I just need to clean them up a little bit. Where is the size? They're 6.5 men or a 8 in women. And they just kind of have like a blue denim looking ass wash look. Pretty clean. Like all of these look like whoever had them took very good care of them, so that's exciting. All right, next we're on to the clothes. These I got for myself, and I don't know, I have a hard time finding like mom jeans that fit me and that look good, so I think I'm gonna list them. I'll have to do measurements because it doesn't have a like size tag. It looks like someone ripped it out, but they fit me. But I'm gonna do measurements and just find out that way. But they're Tommy Hilfiger, and they have the little logo there as well, and then like the leather patch logo, and they're just plain mom jeans, like straight legged. I don't always pick up North Face, but this was a really nice jacket. It's not like their typical fleece jackets. It's more of, I don't know what this is, to be honest. I know they have names for the different types of jackets, so I'm gonna Google it, see what I can find, but it's very nice, very clean. I like the icy blue color. It is a woman's size small. This I did get for me, but I thought I'd throw it in here. I'll list it probably in a few weeks or something, because that's usually what I do. But I really liked it because it's cropped, and also I need to do more research on it because I'm not good with identifying Levi's. But it is a Levi's, size medium, 100% cotton. I'll show you. But I liked it because it's like more of a cropped style, which I thought was really cute. I really like it. So I'm definitely, but it kind of is big, but I kind of like it a lot, so I'm gonna keep that. And then I'll probably list it when I get sick of it or find another one. But I thought I'd show you because it's what I got. And because people always ask how you don't keep everything. I do keep some things. Or I wear them a few times and then I list them. So, I don't normally pick up these types of pants, but I know that they do pretty okay. They're the North Face, they're size 4. They're really good condition. I couldn't even tell you if someone actually wore them. And they're like hiking pants. They're really lightweight. And I've been going hiking a lot, especially over the summer. And having a pair of pants like this would be really helpful because I know I wore leggings a lot and it was super hot, but like you want to wear pants, especially if you're like going uphill. You don't want to like scratch like your legs or have bugs coming on you and stuff like that. So these are actually really nice and they're so light. Don't know if they have a name of what they are, but they're really nice. And they even have the hooks, the hook things. I don't know what they are. So they're nice. Don't even know if anyone wore them. What are these? Oh, another pair of Tommy jeans. I liked how they had the flag patch. That's why I got them. These ones are actually the brand Tommy jeans, and it looks like they have like junior sizing because it says 7/30, but I'll add measurements. And they're just kind of straight legged mom jean, dark wash. But I know the patch is really nice. I know some people turn them into shorts. I'm not good at that. I have like a pile of like 4 jeans that I should turn into shorts, but I just don't know if I'm really good at it. So I'll probably just sell these as is and someone can make them into cute shorts or wear them as is. I just don't like the risk of it. I got these because they were new with tags and winter is coming. Everyone makes those New Year's resolutions and normally one of them is to work out more. So the best way to get motivated to do that is have new leggings. These are Fabletics. They are the seamless mid-rise Jaguar. And they were originally $54.95 and I did not pay that. They have like a floral butterfly pattern and they're cropped and they are a size small. And if you don't know what the Fabletics logo is, it's kind of like a fancy F. I don't know where they are on the actual pants though. Right there. So I'll have those listed. This does have a flaw, but I just thought it was cool enough to kind of look past. It's a Nike 90s-esque windbreaker. I have to look up the tag exactly to find out, but it has like the color blocking detail. The flaw is like on the swoosh, some of the strings are kind of loose. Don't know if someone could fix that or just cut them off without like ruining it, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. And this is the tag and it's a size medium. I don't know, I thought it was super nice and I love the colors. I like blue. I like when things are vintage, but you can definitely still like style them now and make them look like streetwear kind of. So definitely got that. Now I know this is not in season, but I literally saw it from the end of the row and I was like, I see what that is, so I'm gonna grab it. And it's Halloween, but I love Halloween and I'll probably just list it now. Maybe someone would get it because it's adorable, but if not, I'll probably just like relist it again when it's closer to Halloween next year. But it is the Disney catalog and it has Winnie the Pooh and Tigger and Eeyore. And it says The Haunting. And look how cute it is. Like, it's not scary. They're all just like trick-or-treating. I just love it. I really do. I couldn't leave it. It's just adorable. I really love it. I really do. It's a size medium. It's kind of faded. If this was supposed to be black, like it's really not a true black anymore. But I think the colors in the characters is still pretty good. So I'll list it. I couldn't leave it behind. I had to find a home for that. I'm pretty sure I will, hopefully. And this is the last item. I think I got it for myself, but I don't know yet. It is Ann Taylor Factory. Nothing too special, but I thought it was really cute. It has floral pattern with stripes, and then it has like this pleating. No, this is called something. I'm terrible. It's a like ruffled sleeve. So I'll probably wear that a few times, and then it'll be listed. So that is everything for my haul video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Everything should be photographed and listed in like by the end of this week. So by the time you're watching this, hopefully everything will be listed. If not, definitely comment or message me on Instagram if there's something you're interested in, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.